Here's 3 tips to start hiking in the snow. Stay tuned. Hey folks, welcome to another video. My name is Jeremy, the Wayward Traveler. And if this is your first time here and you love outdoor adventure and awesome gear, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, I'm just out for a quick winter hike, a couple of miles, testing out some gear. And I wanted to drop 3 tips on how you can start hiking in the snow and having a fantastic time doing it. Tip 1. Start off chilled. As you start walking, especially when you start climbing, your body's going to heat up. And the last thing you want to do in the wintertime is sweat. So start off chilled and allow that body temperature to rise naturally. Tip 2. Don't be afraid to duff your layers sooner rather than later. You feel yourself getting a little warm, dump your hat to dump heat. The whole purpose of a layering system is to make sure that you're not sweating, that you keep all your gear as dry as you can. Tip 3, just do it. A lot of people find the snow and the cold intimidating. Don't. Have a layering system, have a plan, have fun, create memories. This is why a proper layering system is important. Duff a layer, work hard, keep going. All right, that about does it for this quick tip video. If you have found this video helpful and encouraging, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking that bell so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, John 3:17.